Hello students, today we are going to learn about creative writing and why it is important. Creative writing is important because it boosts your imagination, it enhances your communication skills, it broadens your thoughts and thought process and perspective. It boosts your confidence to share your own opinion. Now, what all we will learn in this topic? We are going to learn about what is creative writing, importance of expression in writing, elements of creative writing, and writing exercises. Writing is a form of writing which involves the expression of thoughts, ideas, and emotions, unlike academic or technical writing. Creative writing focuses on self-expression, originality, and using language in a unique, impactful way and expression. Imagination helps to explore new ideas, settings, and characters. Imagination plays a crucial role in creating your original and captivating stories. Self-expression helps you to create a deep connection with your readers. Okay, now how to set a creative writing? When the setting is where and when a story takes place. Well written, vivid description of location, time, period, and atmosphere. The setting provides context and helps to establish the mood and the tone of the story. You need to remember some very important points while you set your story. What is the story's theme? What is the time period of the story? What is the geographical location? In this story set in our world, real life, or does it happen in a fictional world? Before setting a story, you need to remember certain points. What is the story's theme? What is the time period of the story? The geographical location. The story is set in the real world or the world which we have made, that is fictional world. How is the environment setting going to create a backdrop setting of this story? The story requires little more examples. For like the main character of the house, the main character of the story. Is there a quest or trip involved in the story? Will the characters move through different settings throughout the story? Okay, now examples of setting a story: real life, geographical, or environmental settings. For example, Earth, Mars, New York, London. Now, fictional setting, it will be like a night zoo, Neverland, Netherlands, anywhere. Now, personal settings can be main character's home, main character's small town. The plot of the story is one of the most important part. The events that make up a story. There will be certain plots which are going to make the story more good for readers, right? It will be introduction of characters. What kind of character are there? Who all are there in the story? Problem or conflict. Every compelling story involves one or the other problem. Hence, there should be a very good description about the obstacles and struggles of the story. Action taken to resolve the conflict. Whatever actions the writer has seen in the real life, and that he has to put into the writing skills, into the creative writing. Actions taken to resolve the conflict. These point is very important, as learning important lessons or experiencing the personal growth should be a good part of writing skill. Now, the plot may have different perspectives. For example, there should be beginning, there should be a middle, and a clear-cut ending where you should involve 7-point story structure. Okay, the hook, the first plot point, the first pinch point, the center, The second bench point, the second plot point, character development. Now, character development is also a very important part. Whatever you want them to be, they can be human, they can be animal, they can be mystical creature or something completely made up. Once you have general idea of what you want this character to be, you can brainstorm different plot points which will further inform the character traits, behaviors and role in the story. Okay, there are certain questions you should be able to answer about their character. What is going on in this character's life? Do they have a problem that they need to fix? Do you think that they should interact with the story? How do they feel about other characters and about the issue? Okay, now we come to point of view, the perspective from which the story is told. First person, second person and third person point of view. Now in the first person you can obviously use I, me. In the second person you can use you. In third person we can use he, she, they, that, those. Okay, the theme. The theme of the story is the main idea or the message. The story underlying meaning can often be inferred from events and actions of the character in the text. A few examples of theme are love, family, friendship, betrayal, or many more. Now, let's write a story and learn how it's written. If you want to learn more, join us now.